Hi everyone, I'm Kaylee, and the topic that I decided to talk about for exam 2 is abortion. Abortion is a very controversial topic, and people feel strongly one way or the other way. There's two terms that I want to talk about. First is pro-life. Pro-life people believe that abortion should not happen, and then the next one is pro-choice. People that fall under the pro-choice category believes that there should be a choice and abortions can be legal. Video number 1. This video was on the pro-life side. They took they were hitting against the pro-choice side people who say they would be better off not alive. Or look at the families that they're coming into. They really hit against those two quotes. For example, they took the two people that I took from the video to talk about are Oprah Winfrey and Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber's mom was 17 and pregnant, fully debated abortion, like she had an appointment set, and then last minute she decided to change her mind, and here comes Justin Bieber. Yeah, he may not have the best life growing up, but he is a famous musician. The next person was Oprah Winfrey. Her mom was not her family was not the best family, but look at how successful she has come. Was basically all that the video 1 was saying was, look at all these people, look at what they should have been compared to what they are, and that they will not be better off alive, and the families that they are coming into is not that big of a deal. That is all what video 1 was about. Video number 2 was another one on the pro-life side. This video was about a mother and her son on his birthday, and how he wanted to be an astronaut, and they went to the park, and they were in a spaceship exploring space and stuff, and then mom looked away and the video switches, not switches, but the tone of the video switches, and she was frantic because the boy went missing. She called the boy's dad and saying, "Oh my gosh, he's gone, we need to call the cops," and the boy's dad had to tell her, "We decided not to keep the boy and have the baby," and then you could visually see how upset that made the mom and how much that impacted her life. And video 2 was taken on the whole emotional way for it. Next video is video 3. This one is a pro-choice side. It's about the impact of making abortions illegal could have on women, and the lady said that it'd make them feel like they have no control, they lost their voice, and they just have no power at all. And that's basically what video 3 was. Video 4, another pro-life one, but this one hit on the facts that what the states are doing to making abortions legal, and how they are vetoing bills that can make abortions illegal. This one really hit on the facts side of what's going on to make these laws. So my behavioral findings. In my opinion, the pro-life side did a lot better job expressing their ideas. They had a better average on the rubric. The thing that set them aside for me was the engagement aspect, put them over pro-choice. If it wasn't for the engagement, they would have been hand in hand, very even. And they still kind of are even, but the engagement pushed them way ahead. The emotional findings. The pro-life side did a better job expressing their ideas emotionally. They took more of the, this will hit home, this will make you feel something type of way, and they didn't just throw facts at you, like, this state's doing this for this law, blah, blah, blah. They did a storyline that would make you feel happy and then switch to sad, and it really just connects the dots. Some of the course concepts that I've seen in this video, the videos. The second video contained many nonverbal communication, like seeing the woman visibly upset. You could tell by her body language she was crying, and you you could just tell that she was upset. Watching and grading the videos that go against my view and like what I believe took a lot of listening and critical thinking. It wasn't just oh, I'm going to shut down because you're not speaking about what I believe. It was, okay, I hear you, I'm listening, this is what I think. Interpersonal communication was happening in the third video because the girl was giving a speech about how she felt, what happened to her, and so in conclusion, the topic that I decided to talk about was abortion, and there was some pro-life and pro-choice aspects and videos. I liked, they both had really great aspects in the rubric, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy.